we did for soundproofing so far. Today is the final day of construction phase 1, day 4. Windows are still being installed. Zions added. Let's have a look inside. What we did for soundproofing so far. We closed that gap with stone. We built an additional wall, second layer of windows, and here the same. In order for me to work in here properly, we got rid of that wall, so I have the full space available and that beautiful wood floor at hand and the concrete here. I'm really hoping that this soundproof measurements are enough for my needs, and this will to be found out by just starting to work in here.